Hello you guys, today I'm going to be opening 3 Chronicles Blaster Boxes. I got these at Walmart, and yeah, I'm going to be opening these. I opened one off camera, and it wasn't bad, but it wasn't the best blaster in the world. Like, the best card was probably like a Mac Jones Flux rookie. But I did get every single one of the top 5 rookie quarterbacks, being Zach Wilson, Trevor Lawrence, Trey Lance, Mac Jones, and Justin Fields. So that was nice. So these boxes come with 42 total cards. Here are details on the side. 8 pink parallels, 4 prestige rookies that are blaster exclusive. 6 packs per box, 7 cards per pack. We have our 6 packs, and this will be base, everything else in highlight stack. Darnell Mooney, Debo Samuel, Nico Collins rookie, Amon-Ra St. Brown rookie, that's not terrible. Kellen Mond Magnitude rookie, it's not bad. Micah Parsons rookie, and Rashad Bateman Gridiron Kings pink parallel. Put them on there. Next pack. You can pull autographs out of these. You can pull 1-of-1s, patch autographs. Traquan Smith, Jamar Chase rookie, that's nice. Tua, Justin Fields prestige, that's also nice. Travis Etienne, Clear Vision acetate rookie card. Pink parallel Matt Ryan and pink parallel Felipe Franks. So 2 nice rookies in that pack, Fields and Jamar. I really like Jamar, so, yeah. Javonte Williams. Move these up a little bit. Sorry about this, but just trying to get it so the piles are visible. Corey Davis. Oh, I like the card that's coming up. Aaron Donald and Dynagon Trevor Lawrence. This is one of the Chromium cards this year, so it's nice. I'd say one of the big chases that I also forgot about are Prism Black cards, rookie cards, silvers, and just the base. Tutu Atwell, Momentum, Carr pink, and Kyle Pitts Panini pink. That's not bad at all. Three packs left in this box. Matt Ryan, Derek Carr, David Montgomery, Tylan Wallace prestige, Kenneth Gainwell Momentum, Terrace Marshall Jr. Gridiron Kings, and David Montgomery pink parallel. Next pack. Trey Lance rookie, that's nice. Jeffrey Simmons, Alvin Kamara, Terrace Marshall Jr. prestige, Derek Carr Magnitude, Davis Mills Luminance, that's a nice one, and Dwayne Eskridge Gridiron Kings pink parallel. Davis Mills is one other guy that I'd say I'm pretty high on. The other day I put a nice Prism Orange Disco out of a blaster of him. so that was exciting for me. 49 on the back. Have a flux in this pack. Joe Burrow, Miles Sanders, Cortland Sutton, Najee Harris flux, that's not bad. Javonte Williams clear vision. Devontae Smith Panini, and a nice Trey Lance Chronicles pink parallel. So that's a nice card. Obviously, it could be like, I think Trey Sermon is in the set. I don't know about Elijah Mitchell. I know he's in the Panini set, but yeah. So that was a pretty good blaster. And another nice thing about Chronicles, not only is it a really fun rip, but you get way more, or a good amount more rookies than base veterans. Open this next box up. I will say it was nice finding some retail, because when I first got back into the hobby again, it was like during the pandemic, or at the start of the pandemic, and it was like impossible to find retail. So it's gotten a bit easier finding retail at Target, Walmart, Walgreens, places like that. Sometimes Barnes and Noble. So let's get into the second blaster. Oh, do we have the same print run? Jamar Chase, rookie. Tua, Javonte Williams, Diami Brown, Prestige, Najee Harris, Magnitude. Here's Elijah Mitchell, and another Elijah Mitchell, this one being the pink parallel. So I personally like the Magnitude. I like how they're kind of like on that like grass and dirt. I'm gonna call it an island. So that's a nice part about it, in my opinion. Oh, we have a silver Dynagon in here. Okay, let's hope for a nice one. Davis, Donald, Ryan, Kyle Pitts, and nice. Kyle Pitts, Dynagon Silver. I was seeing some red, and I was hoping maybe Trey Lance, but Kyle Pitts, Dynagon Silver, obviously Prism, is not bad. And another Kyle Pitts in that pack as well. Rashad Bateman pink, and Odafe Owe pink. So that was the best pack out of this blaster. So, oh, we have a, is that Fields? That is Fields. I'm sorry I skipped to that, but yes, that's exciting for me. This is my first look at Prism Black. Centering looks good. Top to bottom is a little bit off, but I know on these they have had some issues, but this is, yeah, that's nice. So Derek Carr, Montgomery, another Trey Lance rookie. Kadarius Toney, I sat there. Saquon Barkley pink, and Chuba Hubbard. What's going on with that centering? Take a look at that centering. It's almost like coming off the card. Pink parallel. So 3 packs left in the second blaster. Jeffrey Simmons, Kamara, Burrow, Pat Freiermuth, Prestige, Pat Freiermuth, Playoff Momentum, Nico Collins, and Kareem Hunt pink parallel. Miles Sanders, Cortland Sutton, Michael Carter, Kyle Trask Prestige, Josh Allen Magnitude, Rashad Bateman Gridiron Kings, and Rondale Moore Panini Pink Parallel. What's going on with the centering on these? That's what I'm wondering. I want to try to find one that has decent centering. Panini here. This is decent centering. Those other ones though, they're very coming off the card. It's not good. Felt thick for a sec. We have a legacy update in here. Matthew Stafford, DeAndre Hopkins, Marshawn Lattimore. Why do they have Shane Buechele in legacy update? Did he even get any playing time? That's odd. Put it in highlight, even though it's a Shane Buechele. Do I maybe see Mac? No. Damian Harris, Pink Parallel. Chuba Hubbard, and Felipe Franks. So Blaster number 2 was solid. Number 1 highlight would be the Fields Prism Black. There was also this nice Kyle Pitts Dynagon Silver. So, last Blaster box. And yeah, this has definitely been a fun rip so far. 66% of the way done. But cut it a little bit more. I did not get it good enough. So, for the last blaster, we have all the packs. Do we have a thick pack? No. Okay. The field's right there. Let's get into it. Aaron Jones, Antonio Gibson, Tyreek Hill, Pat Freiermuth Prestige, Dak Prescott Magnitude, Davis Mills Gridiron Kings, and Devontae Smith Luminance Pink Parallel. I like the Smith, and why is Dak in there? I like the Smith and Mills. Like I said, I'm high on Davis Mills. Do we? We have a score update silver, okay. DJ Moore, Keenan Allen, Trevor Lawrence Vortex. From what I just spoiled the silver. Trask, Kellen Mond. So, not the worst, not the greatest. It is a rookie quarterback who I guess has some potential to do stuff in the future. But Trevor Lawrence Vortex, it's a nice card. From what I've seen, these are decently rare. Then the last 2 cards in the pack, pink Trevor Lawrence and pink Davis Mills. So that was a pretty good pack, even though the silver wasn't the greatest. So it looks like in about 50% of these boxes, you'll pull a silver prism. Not meaning it's out of prism black, but like a silver Optichrome. Chargers, legacy update, Rashawn Slater. Why do they have him in the set? Why do they have an offensive lineman in Chronicles? Rondale Moore Clear Vision, Cordero Patterson Pink, and Sam Ehlinger Pink. 3 more packs to go. Kadarius Toney Rookie, Myles Garrett, Matt Judon, Rondale Moore Prestige, Monroe St. Brown Momentum, Kadarius Toney Luminance, and Josh Jacobs Pink Parallel. 2 more packs to go. A.J. Dillon, Terry McLaurin, Patrick Mahomes, Trey Lance Prestige, that's not bad. Tom Brady Magnitude, Trevor Lawrence Panini, and Trevor Lawrence Luminance Pink. So this box has given us a lot of Trevor Lawrence, which is good. And yeah, a lot of Trevor Lawrence. #1 overall pick. So last pack in this 3-box Chronicles Blaster Box break, and we have a Prism Black. Okay. Cole Beasley, Austin Eckler, Najee Harris rookie, Kadarius Toney, Prism Black, Kyle Trask, Travis Etienne, and Donnell Mooney Pink. So, Prism Black of Kadarius Toney is definitely solid, but I would say that the main highlight of this break would be the Fields Prism Black. So, let's have a, there goes those. Like, kind of like above average, and then like average, I would say. Make a couple of those stacks. Definitely did get good amount of Trevor Lawrence, good amount of Trey Lance, good amount of Davis Mills, a couple nice Fields, and yeah, I'd say these would be the top highlights. Davis Mills Pink, Trevor Lawrence Pink, another Lawrence Pink, Lawrence Vortex, Kellen Mond Score Silver, Fields Prestige, Jamar Chronicles, Trevor Dynagon, Lance Base Chronicles and Pink Chronicles, Jamar Pitts Dynagon Silver, another Lance Chronicles, Lawrence Panini, Lance Prestige, Kadarius Toney Prism Black, a little off-centering, and the best pull would be this Justin Fields Prism Black in pretty much perfect condition. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.